Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Today we are going to see 8th Standard Mathematics Part 4. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 we have seen already. This is the last part we are going to see. The last part has exponents and powers. In general terms, an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor is called a power. You see the figure 5 and the exponent is 2 and this 5 is called as base. That is, for 5 base, you have the exponent as 2. The number 5 is called here as base and the number 2 is called exponent. More often it is called as power. The exponent 5 corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. Here nothing, if you have got 5 power 2. We don't say as exponent all those things. We normally express as 5 power 2. 5 power 2 means nothing. This 5 is repeated 2 times. That is, we say 5 power 2. If 4 power 3 means the 4 number will be repeated 3 times. 4 power 3. We use this as log 64 to the base 2 will be what? Just you have as an activity we to find it out. Next one is number 1, powers with positive exponents. Okay, value of powers given by the positive whole number exponents quite often increase rapidly. How do you say this? For example, 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square, 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 will give you 8. 2 power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 will be equal to 16. Children, we have to say as 2 power 5. Is it able to follow you? 2 power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 is repeated 5 times. So, if you repeat 2 5 times, it will be equal to 32. 2 power 6 means 2 how many times will be repeated? 6 times will be 2 repeated. So, the answer is 64. 2 power 7 means how many times the 2 will be repeated? 5. 5 plus 2, 7 times. So, you will get the answer 128. 2 power 8 means how many times the 2 will be repeated? 5. 5 plus 3, 8 times it will be repeated. So, 2 power 8 is equal to 256. If it is 2 power 9, the 2 is repeated 9 times. So, 2 power 9 is equal to 512. If it is 2 power 10, the 2 is repeated 10 times. So, 10 times means you will get the answer as 1024. So, what do we say from this? As is the whole number exponents quite often increase rapidly. Next, we are going to see expanded form of numbers using exponents. Okay. In the lower classes, we have learned how to write a whole number in the expanded form. Let us see an example. 5832. What will you do? You will write immediately as 5 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So, okay. This 5 into 1000 can be written as 5 into 10 cube. Why do you write 10 cube? 3 zeros are there. So, what do we write? 10 cube plus 8 into 10 square. Why do you write 10 square? 2 zeros are there. We write as 10 power 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1. Why? 10 power 1 is only 1 zero is there. We write it as 10 power 1 plus 2. When we use exponential notation, this way we write. Okay. What shall we do if we get decimal places? Okay. This one we are going to see with decimal places. Decimal places means points. Powers of 10 with negative exponents come to occur risks. Okay. Come to occur it. Negative exponents we are going to see. That's all. If 58.32 is there, how will you write? 50 plus 8 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. So, how will you write 50 once again? 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100. Now, again this how I am going to write is 5 into 10 power 1. Only 1 0. I write it as 5 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0. This is the very important place where you have to understand. If you are in class, I might have asked you what is 10, when is 10 power 0? 10 power 0 is 1. Okay. If 10 power 0 is 1, what is 100 power 0? That is also 1. What is 2 power 0? That is also 1. That is, anything to the power 0 is 1. You should remember this always. 8 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1. Why do we say minus 1? 10 is divided one time. Plus 2 into 10 power minus 2. Why? 10 into 10. That is 100 is divided twice. Number 3, laws of exponents. Laws of exponents arise out of certain basic ideas. Based on certain basic ideas only, these laws of exponents have arisen. A positive exponent of a number indicate how many times we use that number in a multiplication, whereas a negative exponent suggests how many times the number we divide. See, if it is positive, we are going to multiply, go on. If it is negative, we are going to divide it. Okay. Since the opposite of multiplying is what? Dividing. Product law. According to this law, when multiplying two powers that we have the same base, we can add the exponents. That is, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Children, you have to read it as a power m into a power n will be equal to a power m plus n. Note it, a should not be equal to 0. Okay, at the same time, the base should be both in both the places. Next is quotient law. According to this law, when dividing two powers that we have the same base, we can subtract the exponents. That is, a power m divided by a power n will be equal to a power m minus n. Note that a should not be equal to 0 and m and n are integers. Note that base also should be the same base in both the cases. Next is power law. According to this law, when raising a power to another power, we can just multiply the exponents. That is, a power m into n will give you a power mn. That is, we are just multiplying only the exponents we are multiplying here. Where a not equal to 0 and m comma n are integers. A power m into n can be written as a mn. Example, we have so many examples, so I just give you only one example here. Find x, so that minus 7 to the power x plus 2 into minus 7 to the power 5, which is equal to minus 7 to the power 10. Now solution C, minus 7 to the power x plus 2 into minus 7 to the power 5 is equal to minus 7 to the power 10. When you see this sum, what do you see? Everywhere the base is common. Minus 7, minus 7, minus 7. So, you write minus 7 to the power x plus 2 plus 5. What law do we use here? A power m plus a power n will be equal to a power m plus n. That first law what I taught you, I am going to use here. Minus 7 into a minus 7 to the power x plus 2 plus 5, which is equal to minus 7 to the power 10. Now, the bases are equal. Now, we will take the exponents alone. So, x plus 2 plus 5 equal to 10. X plus 7 equal to 10. So, x is equal to 10 minus 7 plus 7. When it goes to the other side, it will become minus 7. So, x is equal to 3. Next, last one we are going to see standard form and scientific notation. Standard form of a number is just the number as we normally write. Okay. Standard form what? 0.00123 can be written as 1.23 into, after how many decimals are you going to keep this dot, that is the decimal, after 3 digits. That is, you are coming a point up away from the point, that is, you are not multiplying it. Here you are, the division shows because 0.00. So, because of it, we are writing 10 power minus 3. If it is 0.0123, we write 1.23 into 10 power. How many digits you are going to lose here? 2 digits. So, minus 2. 0.123, 1.23 into 10 power minus 1. These all are in terms of divisions. Now, if it is multiplication, 1 to 3, what will you do? 1.223 into 10 square. If it is 1230, what will you do? 1.230 into 10 square. Like that you will write. If it is multiplication, you are going to write as positive. If it is division, you are going to give a symbol minus. Write the following scientific notations in standard form. 2.27 into 10 power minus 4. See, minus 4 means the decimal has to go to the left side. So 2.27 into 10 power minus 4 means after 4 digits you keep the decimal. 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 0.30227. Next sum. Light travels 1.86 into 10 power 5 miles per second. See, it is multiplication. So here the 0 will go from right side, it will go from left to right, it will go multiplication. Division means from right to left. Multiplication means left to right. That is, it is going to increase. Light travels 1.86 into 10 power 5 miles per second means 186. See, 2 decimals, 8 and 6, 2 points goes away. Extra you put power 5 means 5 decimals you have to go. 8, 6, 10, 10, 10. So 186,000 millions per second. Thank you, children. I think you might have understood well about these numbers in 8th standard. This part I have divided as 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. See all the parts. Listen carefully, watch it, and also try to understand and do some problems also in this. If you have any doubts, you contact me through WhatsApp or through phone. I will teach you again. Thank you, children.